Hi there, viewers. Do you have a hormonal imbalance? Men and women both can experience this condition. It can cause acne, obesity, energy crash, depression, anxiety, and fertility. Medication can only relieve the symptoms but does not change the situation. Not to mention the enormous side effects that come along with a hormone pill. The right nutrition can be your best bet to manage too many or too few hormones. In today's video, we'll be talking about foods that restore hormonal balance. Should you be eating millet? What about hemp seeds? Which proteins are best? We'll be discussing all of this and more. Begin with coconut oil. Hormones are secreted by glands that may be located far away from the targeted organ. They have to travel through your system before they actually act. Studies have shown coconut oil to balance out estrogen levels too in premenopausal women. The medium-chain triglycerides from this oil can also stimulate thyroid function and accelerate metabolism. Lauric acid from coconut oil also helps to balance hormones. You can use a spoonful of coconut oil daily for sautéing vegetables, meat, or fish. You can drizzle some melted oil on air-popped popcorn or use it in baking. Try super powerful hemp seeds. This can be a highly nutritious addition to your daily diet. This superfood contains a healthy ratio of omega-6 and omega-3 fats. It's usually 3-to-1. It contains GLA that positively impacts hormonal health. Studies have shown hemp seeds to improve post-ovariectomy complications in rats. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds to your oats, smoothies, and salads. It'll give you a boost of fiber, magnesium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, potassium, and calcium. Studies show that magnesium regulates parathyroid hormone, vitamin D, calcitonin, and estrogen. Have a spoonful of ghee with every meal. This also goes by the name clarified butter. It provides vitamin C, K2, and A, which are absolutely important for producing hormones. Studies have shown dairy products to impact estrogen, growth hormone, and insulin-like hormones positively. It also is essential to create testosterone. You can have a spoonful of raw ghee first thing in the morning or use it for cooking. Its high smoke point allows you to use it for baking and deep frying. If you don't find ghee at your local supermarket, you can substitute it with grass-fed butter. Pop in fresh cherries. Are you suffering from too much stress lately? Then these cherries can be the ultimate mood uplifters. They're a rich source of melatonin that helps you sleep better. They're high in magnesium and help to sharpen your mind, reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, and regulate adrenaline. Additionally, you'll get zinc, iron, and amino acids that work in tandem with melatonin. This will also keep your brain healthy and protect you from Alzheimer's, dementia, and tumors. Pick up the deepest red cherries to get the maximum health benefits. Juice them up or chop them into a fruit salad or have them on their own as a snack. Flax seeds can be life-changing. Are you having a tough time staying full from your previous meal? Flax seeds are rich in fiber, proteins, and omega-3 fatty. They help in preventing insulin resistance as they keep you fuller for a longer time. They add volume to your food so that you feel like you're eating more without actually consuming extra calories. The phytoestrogens are estrogen-like molecules present in flax seeds. They help your body to get rid of excess estrogen and provide relief from hormonal issues like menopause, breast cancer, and osteoporosis. It influences your reproductive health, weight loss immunity, and skin health too. You can sprinkle ground flaxseed over your yogurt and even in cereal bowls. Make Brazil nuts your wellness formula. We get a continuous supply of minerals and trace elements through our diet every day. But since soil quality has depleted over the years, our food actually lacks enough minerals. One such trace element that is extremely essential for thyroid hormone is selenium. It helps to convert T4 to T3, which is an active form of thyroid hormone. Brazil nuts are incredible nuts that are saturated with selenium. Just having 1 or 2 Brazil nuts every day will help you to reach your daily selenium requirement. But just be careful of going overboard. It may cause selenium toxicity. What does millet have to offer? How often do you notice a pack of millet sitting on the supermarket shelves? It's an ancient grain and can be delicious when cooked perfectly. Its nutty texture perfectly complements any sausage, casserole, or sauce. Adding a lot of water will make it taste like risotto. You can use dried millet flour in your pancakes and crepes too. It's absolutely gluten-free and has complex carbs. This balances your blood sugar levels and manages insulin. Millet is a storehouse of magnesium and supports your health. Up next are avocados. This fruit has taken the world by storm. It adds a rich creaminess to toast toppings and dips. Although you do not need one more reason to love them, here's one anyway. Processed and fried foods contain harmful fat. Avocados are balanced with healthy fats that you can consume every day. They affect your gastric hormones and manage blood cholesterol efficiently. Half an avocado every day can regulate estrogen and progesterone and regulate your menstrual cycle. It gives you vitamin B5 that helps to handle stress, enhance mental health, and improve cognitive performance during intense mental processing. Have a satisfying breakfast of eggs. These are the extremely popular and filling breakfast options globally. You can have them scrambled with toast or boiled. They can be perfect for weekdays or weekends. You can make creamy egg sandwiches or an easy egg salad for busy days and never miss a chance to sneak in more iron, phosphorus, and B vitamins. Organic pasture-raised eggs will have a higher dose of choline. This chemical helps to produce the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, which is related to memory and brain health. Do you love salmon? This fatty fish can make a high-protein meal. It has vitamin D and omega-3 fatty that can immensely help your body to balance hormones. Vitamin D helps in the production of sex hormones and increases overall immunity, giving you strong bones. Omega-3 fatty acid can combat hormone-related disorders like breast cancer and prostate cancer. You can bake or grill wild-caught salmon, add some garlic butter and asparagus on the side. Drizzle a few herbs and your perfect weeknight meal is ready. How often do you eat leafy greens? If you're on a low-carb diet, spinach, kale, arugula, Swiss chard, and lettuce have so much to offer. Spinach is rich in iron and can level up that thyroid. Kale, on the other hand, is jam-packed with vitamins like K and C. Vitamin C is essential to maintain a balance of adrenal hormones. You can add green leafy vegetables to your smoothies, stews, and burgers. You can even try baked kale chips. All you have to do is remove the chunky stems of kale. Lay the leaves out on a baking tray, drizzle some olive oil, sea salt, onion, and garlic powder, and toss it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 150 degrees. Want more green? Eat broccoli. When you're fixing a balanced meal plate, always remember to put some greens in the mix. Cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and broccoli can pack a hefty nutritional punch. They're a great source of phytonutrients that lower inflammation and reduce the risk of cancer. Additionally, the dietary fiber helps to promote regular bowel movements and eliminate excess estrogen. They even prevent estrogen-related cancers. Isn't it the best estrogen detox? But a word of caution. Raw cruciferous vegetables may contain goitrogens or thyroid inhibitors. If you've known hypothyroidism, then steaming broccoli can help. Also, keep the serving under half a cup every day. Yogurt can be a real kicker. The popularity of yogurt has skyrocketed. It's loaded with vitamin D, probiotics, calcium, and B vitamins. It aids in digestion and keeps your gut bacteria to flourish. If you're not a fan of yogurt, you can try sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and tempeh for getting additional gut support. Studies have shown poor digestion can cause hormone imbalance. So don't skimp on a cup of yogurt to manage hormones better. Try using Greek yogurt in healthy food swaps. Ditch the mayo and fatty dressings. Just mix in some sour cream with your yogurt and make a creamy dip or dressing. You can also make yogurt popsicles by mixing roughly crushed berries and Greek yogurt and pouring the mixture into a popsicle mold. Refrigerate the mixture and enjoy this guilt-free treat in hours. Be generous with olive oil. This is a miracle food when it comes to setting the hormones right. It can reduce insulin resistance. It sends a signal to your brain to reduce your appetite and keep you full. It also manages chronic stress by controlling cortisol. Use extra virgin olive oil to get maximum omega-3 fatty acids and amplify all these benefits. Studies have shown that polyunsaturated fatty acids present in olive oil to control PCOS and balance follicle-stimulating hormones and testosterone in animals. So, add it to your salad dressings to make them extra flavorful. You can use them for grilling vegetables, seafood, and toasting bread too. Last but not least, have lean meat. Hot dogs are delicious, but if it's your daily meal, then you need to cut down on them. Instead, go for leaner cuts, chicken breast, or turkey. Your body requires protein for efficient functioning. It can build muscle and keep you energetic. Research shows a high-protein diet helps in secreting leptin that gives you a feeling of satiety. A few anabolic hormones like insulin and estrogen can also be regulated by having protein. Hormonal imbalance silently keeps destroying your body. If you have a feeling that your body is acting differently, then you need to be extra vigilant. Want to know more? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more hormone-related videos, shall we? Watch 9 symptoms of hormonal imbalance in women, or 11 symptoms of hormonal imbalance in men. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn more about how to set your endocrine system right. Which of the above foods do you eat regularly? Let us know in the comments below.